Tim Cook in India. We talked about this yesterday that he was going to go, but we didn't actually have any footage of him there. Instead, we have footage of a couple different tours of the store, but look at this. We have an Apple fan in India bringing an early computer to show Tim Cook, which is quite a surprise to him.
Yeah.
Here's the clip. Surprised at seeing a customer bring his old Macintosh classic machine at the opening of India's first Apple store. Like, he had to lug that. That's really got some weight to it.
Possibly wait in line.
You know, he didn't bring the first generation iPhone. That would have fit in his pocket. No, he brought an old Apple computer classic over there. And look at the pumped up employees. Hey, no,
a lot of clapping.
Man, I always felt so awkward when I would go to these launch events, and I'd be at the front of the line trying to pick up this stuff to like make videos on it or something.
Mm-hmm. Tim Cook just walks away,
and everybody just be like, "Woo!" And I'd be like, "I don't think I deserve to be cheered. Like, I don't know what I did. I just showed up. Like, woo! You're amazing. You're just gonna spend money here, so you're amazing."
Yeah.
Anyway, we are impressed by Cook getting on the airplane, going from Coachella over there to Mumbai, the first store over there. And then next up going to be Delhi. Big things for Apple in India. They put their foot down over there, put their flag down over there. They say India is a big deal for us, and we're going to be here in a retail way. Apple sales in India hit a new high of almost $6 billion in the year through March 2023. The company's revenue in India grew by nearly 50% from $4 billion a year earlier. Yeah, they're like, we're gonna come, we're gonna be here. Mm-hmm. We're gonna come here for a few billies.
We've got trees in our.
Imagine if they all spoke honestly. Wouldn't that be cool? Like almost like before a fight promo, like for a fight when they do the promo. Like imagine Tim's like, yeah, I'm here to make a few billies. I came to India to get a piece of this market right here. And they're like, woo. But instead they have to do this kind of cryptic talk of the joy and delight of Apple products now comes to India for your enjoyment. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And today, it's our pleasure to, it's always some roundabout. Where's that executive? Where's the executive? I'm about to make some billies over here.
Yeah, who's close to that?
I don't know.
Well, congrats.